Okay, welcome back. So you should be at this stage with your logo. So now we just need to have a look at it. So I'm going to go to shading and make sure smooth shade all is turned on under shadings. I'm also going to make sure that I'm on surfaces in the tab there. And I'm going to select just one of these. Now if we come into outliner, we haven't selected the whole group, which is all of them. We just selected one. And I've just used the move tool to do that. So I've just clicked on it and it selected it. And what we're going to do is the same process for all of these letters. We're going to go up to here and we're going to go to planar, and this is to create a planar. If I come into the surfaces, it'll bring up here and we can actually have a look in our options there, but just hit planar and it will create this as a letter now. But we need to come into some options over here in the attribute editor. So make sure you've got the attribute editor. By default, it should be on the right hand side. And we just need to set a few little bits and bobs going on. The first thing I want to do is to change my U divisions. Now I'm trying to give it, because it's a rounded letter, it's got a lot of curve around here. I'm not worried about polygon count for this. So I'm just going to increase this to round about 16. So I'm going to type in there 16 and I'm going to type in there 16 and click OK. Now if I zoom close now, you can see it's nicely curved, so it should give us a good result. And I'm going to do the same for this. So I'm just going to select there. This one I don't need really much control at all because it's basically just an outline there. It's just a quad in its own right. So I'm just going to do that, put this on there. This one, there's a little bit because I've got a little bit of stuff going on, but that's actually quite good. Probably 3 there. And what I'm looking for is for everything to kind of be a quad, so have 4 sides. I know I've got a little bit of stuff going on in there, but it's not too bad. Actually, that will do for now. We've got 2 separate areas here to do, so I'm going to do this. Actually going to leave that like that, and this bit we'll tackle later, and the same will apply for this. That's got a nice curve round there, so I want to increase this. That's fine, and there as well. Something like that, and the same again for here. I'm going to leave that as is. That's not bad. I've actually got an A up there, so I'm actually only going to make one A, and I'm just going to put it in position, so I'll leave this one for now. And there. That'll do for that. Okay, so now we've got some surfaces to play with. And that's a good start for now. So try and get your surfaces so they've all got surfaces on them, and then we'll move on to the next stage.